How to fix Expedia app won't let me sign in. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can fix Expedia app won't let me sign in. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. First of all, you need to download the Expedia application on your device and make sure to have the updated version. Make sure you have updated your app, because that may be one of the reasons why your Expedia app is not letting you sign in or you are having that error. For that, you just need to simply go to Play Store and search for Expedia. Just search for Expedia. After that, you just need to tap on it, and when you tap on it, you should be able to see an update option if any kind of update is available. After your update is completed, you may just close your app and see if that makes any changes or not, and try logging in or signing in into your account. Another thing is, I want you to navigate to your main settings of your device. After that, simply go to the app section. After that, here on the apps, you may just scroll down until you see Expedia app, or you may just go to the search bar and type in Expedia. After that, simply click on it, and when you click on it, you should be able to see storage option. Simply click on it and you can see this clear cache or clear data option. So you can see clear cache option. Simply click on clear cache and click on clear data as well if it is necessary. After that, simply close this settings as well. After that, try signing in your account. And the last thing is, make sure you have a good internet connection, because that may be one of the reasons. Otherwise, you may restart your device as well, and you should be able to fix your issue. So therefore, just follow the steps and you should be able to do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.